Hello, my dear students. Today we will take one applications of arrangement Wheatstone bridge, which is based on Kirchhoff's laws. Kirchhoff's laws and Wheatstone bridge you have taken in last class in current electricity lecture number 7. Now here in this lecture we will go for one applications, so called the meter bridge. The most important applications of Wheatstone bridge arrangement, which you have read in the first class, in the last class. Okay. Now Wheatstone bridge arrangement. Let me recollect your memory first. Now Wheatstone bridge is an arrangement. Wheatstone bridge. It is called as Wheatstone bridge, and this is important for practicals. Section 1, in which you are having all electrical experiments, Ohm's law, then 3 experiments on this instrument. One, determination of unknown resistance of a wire, and this meter bridge is an instrument, practical instrument based on Wheatstone bridge arrangement, by which we can find out the unknown resistance of a wire. I will show you some wires for which resistance should be found out. Now here let me recollect your memory for the Wheatstone bridge. As we have read earlier, this is an arrangement, we can say. This is an arrangement in which, just a minute, arrangement in which we have 4 resistances P, Q, R, S. The resistances P, Q, R, S will be so adjusted. We have already told you so adjusted. What does it mean? एमिति ताकू adjust करा हबो resistance values, we can change it. We'll see how you can change it. You can adjust the resistance value in such a manner, because resistance is a device or any thing, we can say anything available which can controls the flow of current. जेमिति डैम रे गेट वाटर फ्लो को कंट्रोल करे, we can say the resistance is a material, we can say, which controls the flow of current. So we can adjust the value of resistances in such a manner that when this resistance by this resistance will be equal to this resistance by this resistance, I have changed the name now because for simplicity, this by this is equal to this by this, or this by this is equal to this by this, or this by this is equal to this by this, all are same, as we have already told you in the last class. Now if this resistance by this resistance will be equal to this resistance by this resistance, then the bridge is said to be balanced, and in that conditions you are adjusting the resistance in such a manner that no current flows through this galvanometer. This is a galvanometer, which is an instrument used to measure the current. I can show you one galvanometer, and the galvanometer is an instrument which shows the current when it moves. So this is a galvanometer, it is written, you can see here, this type of galvanometer you will use in practicals, and there is a pointer here, and you can show the deflection right or deflection rate by adjustment. You can adjust the resistance in such a manner that will show the zero deflection, जोटी अच्छी से deflections रहिबो, केतेबेले right deflection जीवो, केतेबेले the left deflection जीवो, that depends upon the resistances. मानेकर एटी current अछि, गोटे example दउछि. Say here is the current, it a plus, it a minus, here is the current. Now if you make this resistance higher, maximum current will flow across this. जदि resistance को higher कर देबा, current एपटे बेसी flow करिबो, कम flow करिबो. That means you can adjust the resistance in such a manner so that no current will flow through the galvanometer. This is adjustment in the practical. We'll see how you can adjust it. And here you can say, in this condition, no current flow through the galvanometer, and this method is called as, remember, this method is called as null deflection method. What method? Null deflection method means zero deflection, no current will flow across this. Same moment, in that moment, potential at this point will be equal to, at this point, mean VB equal to VD. Potential at this point will be equal to potential at this point. There is no potential difference. No current will flow across this bridge. That is the conditions we have to impose here. I am removing this one. And the balance condition of the bridge is, in balance condition of Wheatstone bridge, meter bridge is an experiment we can say. A Wheatstone bridge is a theoretical bridge. Balance condition is P by Q equal to R by S. You can reverse it. This by this is equal to this by this, or this by this is equal to this by this. Anything you can write. Okay. Now let me show you the comparisons with this instrument. Say this instrument is very simple. It constitute only a single wire whose resistance can also be determined, and resistance is determined. Actually, this is the wire I am taking under considerations. The blue line is the wire in that instrument. This is a scale. This is a scale, we can say. This is a scale. It is a scale. A-C-A-L-E. Scale. Scale of 100 centimeter. That's why it is called as meter. 1 meter. Bridge, because it is based on the Wheatstone bridge. That's why we call this instrument meter bridge. So here, this is a 101 meter wire fixed on a wooden board, and this wider line, ये जो ओसारिया देखुछ, that is copper. एगुड़ाक कौन होची ना copper. Copper is a good conductor. I will show you the difference. Copper plate, these are copper plates. We can say connecting plate. Now this is what? This is a resistance. This is a gap here, you see, and here is a gap. And ये जो width देखुछ, that is a copper plate, connecting plate. And this strip one, this black one is the instrument. You can see the instrument first. Now here is the instrument, you can see. And I am taking this instrument because once you follow this arrangement, the next two, that is potentiometer, will be very easier, and practical will be very easier, and your strength both in theory and practical will be enhanced with these remaining two classes of this chapter, current electricity, because we are having 3 experiments in section 1 of your practicals based on this instrument, and this instrument is the simplest one, I think, for my view. Now this is the instrument, you can see. देखा जाओ instrument, ये instrument देखा जाओ पूरा. एठी देखो. So here is a copper strip. ए वो सारे strip copper. और ए गुड़ा को जो देखो जो terminals. Terminals, you can see the terminals here. ए गुड़ा को सब terminals. जोड़ा को खोली की लगे हबो, wire लगे हबो. और एटा जो देखो जो एटा, this one is the wire. Blue line रे मुटानी से blue line रे. और एटा होची, this one is the copper plate. Copper plate. Copper is a good conductor. And we generally use, see, house wirings, जो घरे wiring होची, copper wire रे करा होची. Copper wire feasibility और economical point of view use करा होची, silver gold use करी हबनी. That's a copper. We are having negligible resistance, we can say. जो bulb, light, fan लगाउछ, सेगुड़ा सब resistance. So ये instrument रे gap अच्छी. You can see here. देखाउची, there is a gap. मोर भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट रे गैप अच्छे से देख पारिबो. सो एठी दिटा गैप एम्प्टी इंस्ट्रूमेंट रहिबो. इंस्ट्रूमेंट राव किछ नाही देखो. दिस इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. हियर इज ए गैप एंड हियर इज ए गैप. देखाउची एठी गोटे गैप अछि, एठी गोटे गैप अछि, ए दिटा गैप. आउ ये कॉपर प्लेट अछि. कॉपर प्लेट आर कनेक्टेड across this. Just a minute. These are the copper plates, you can see. These are copper plate, and this is a copper plate, and this is the wire under consideration, and this wire is made up of, remember this. Now I am coming to the important point. This wire is made up of constant tan. कोथरे तैयार हेची? Constant tan or manganese. Practical oral हबो. ये जो वायरटा देखुछ ए मटेरियल ले तैयार हेची, because whenever you allow the current to flow across this, ता across the current ता flow करिवो, it may be heated. If it is heated, there is a rise in temperature, so resistance changes. If temperature increases, resistance changes, so the experiment will be having much more error. Again, you see, for different seasons, winter to summer, there is a rise in temperature. If temperature changes, the resistance changes. So resistance of that wire will change. That's why that is generally made up of such type of materials whose whose temperature coefficient alpha is 0. Means these are the alloys jahar resistance change habani by raising or decreasing the temperature. By changing the temperature, resistance of these two materials do not change. That's why generally we use constant tan or manganese wire. First, there is a meter scale to measure the length, and let me compare this arrangement to this. Eta dekhe ki eta connection kara habo. Once you are very much sure about this, you can do this experiment very quickly within 15 minutes. Okay, now here you see, here R and S, this is a R resistance I have taken, and this is known resistance, known, and that is given from resistance box. I will show you in the next class what is the resistance box. That means known resistance will be given. R is known. तुमको दिया है 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. You can connect there. It is known to us. Now here what we will do? Here it is known. Here unknown. Now S in this case will be taken as X, unknown, for an example. So this is unknown. So this is X. Now where is the other two resistances? How the resistance kind? How the resistance will be obtained from this wire. The wire is having certain resistance. This wire. Hello? And we will connect it. And out of that wire, since resistance, remember this one, since resistance proportional to length, by adjusting the length, we will adjust the length of this wire by this arrangement, by this key arrangement, such that in the left hand side we are having some length, in the right hand side we are having certain length. So length ही हम resistance बाहर करेंगे, nothing else. Let me compare these two circuit first, removing this one. Now here you see, this is the bridge, 4 resistances, this is one resistance I am taking here, and this is S resistance I am taking here, and P and Q resistances will be taken out of this wire, and this will be, in my case, I will consider this as P and I will consider this as Q. Remaining side will be Q. I will show you. Now you can see the points here. Point A and point C. A और C point रे कौन लगी ची? बैटरी लगी ची, भल लगी देखु था. A और C point रे बैटरी कनेक्शन है ची. तो A and C मु point साइट नहीं ची, you can see. A and C. A और C point रे बैटरी लगी ची, देखो बैटरी. E EMF और की K1. यही अरेंजमेंट टा एठी अछि. आउ गोटे अरेंजमेंट B और D, आउ तो किछ नहीं. B और D रे गाल्वानोमीटर लगी ची. 80 पॉइंट B देखो, B पॉइंट आउ D पॉइंट और D पॉइंट रे गाल्वानोमीटर लगी ची थ्रू ए की. तो एटा होची B, एटा होची गाल्वानोमीटर. And galvanometer, as I have told you, in any instrument we are having two. This is one red color, this is one black color. It a positive, it a negative. Because this is positive, it a plus, it a minus. So galvanometer we can say this is, you can see this is plus. You see just this is plus, this is plus, this is plus. So galvanometer a terminal ta plus haba darkar, red re lagiba darkar. So that other terminal will be taken through this. This is a overlapping of the wire, overlapping of the wire. ये wire ऊपर जोड़ी जीवनी. If you connect like this is a connection. But if you connect like this is a overlapping of the wire, and that will be connected across a jockey. Now here is a key, you can see. देखा हो key, एटा एक key. आपको कहती jockey, JOCKEY. ता कौन कहती jockey dog नुहे. jockey ରୁ jockey ହେଇଛି. So you can connect it. ଏଠି wire ଲାଗିବ, ଏଠି wire ଆସିବ. ଆଉ ଏ ଯୋଉ wire ଗୁଡାକ ଦେଖୁଛ, wire ଆଉ एक blue wire ଭିତରେ डिफरेंस ଅଛି. तो जो कनेक्टिंग wire घरे वर्क होची, आमे एम्ति कनेक्ट करिवो प्रैक्टिकल रे. देखा होची एटा कॉपर wire. ता ऊपर गोटे कोटिंग अछि. आ एई कनेक्शन गुडा कॉपर wire. ये जो ब्लू कलर देखुछ सेटा रेजिस्टेंस wire. तो रेजिस्टेंस wire एम्प्टी wire. Here you see this resistance wire. Difference in wire. पिला ये white wire को नेके लगे दियंती. That is wrong. Now in the practical what you have to do, you have to give in some, just a minute, you will be given the wire of certain length, and wire of certain length in the practical will be given, and this unknown resistance will be connected here. Known resistance will be connected here. R is known, X is unknown. A wire resistance तुमको काढ़िया को कुआ हबो. You have to determine the resistance of that wire only, nothing else. Remember, you have to calculate the resistance of that wire. Let us see. Now, so I am removing this one. This is a resistance box, known resistance. मन रहिला एटा known resistance, एटा अननोन रेजिस्टेंस पी क्यू केमती बाहर न हियर जकी देखली कि सेटा एमती कहीं दिखाई बिकॉज बाय कनेक्टिंग विथ द गैल्वेनोमीटर यू कैन स्लाइड दिस ओवर दिस वायर यू कैन स्लाइड दिस फॉर एडजस्टमेंट कौन पर एडजस्ट कर तुम एमती एडजस्ट कर से यू कैन सी शो हियर यू कैन शो हियर यू कैन शो हियर यू कैन शो हियर गैल्वेनोमीटर लगी यू कैन शो हियर यू कैन शो हियर यू विल सी समटाइम्स इन द गैल्वेनोमीटर sometimes in the galvanometer goes to right, sometimes galvanometer goes to left. It is a not balanced condition. You can adjust in such a manner here at certain points j jockey at certain points that point d I am taking here d through a key एटा निजे key जते लगा हैनी ओपन अछि लागिनी ओपन अछि तेणु एटा निजे key गोटे तेणु you can connect it here and at this point say galvanometer shows the zero deflection. Galvanometer shows the zero deflection. That means to left certain length is there, to left certain length is there, to right certain length is there. बुझी पाइल? It is length L and this point is D. We can say D jockey is connected at this point. Now this length is L centimeter and the remaining length we can say 100 minus L centimeter because total length is 100 centimeter. Then how to find out the resistance of that wire? केमती बाहर करिवो? See, let R is resistance per unit length. Hello? Per unit length. This wire practically पचरा हबो this wire should have uniform area of cross section से wire रो area cross section uniform हबा दरकार क्वेश्चन काहे uniform हबो otherwise the length resistance per unit length will be changed but we are taking that resistance per unit length of this blue wire remains same of that meter base रे केवल से wire टा instrument so resistance per unit length then for length L resistance will be L into R. बुझा पड़ला? Say resistance per unit length of this wire is R. For length L, this is the length L. Resistance will be LR. What is the resistance for remaining length? That Q will be 100 minus L into R. Total 100 centimeter. I have written this is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. This is 0 centimeter. Hello? So this is the null point. आपको null point कौन point कहती? Null point deflection null point. This is the null point we can say. This is the null point. Null point means this was a zero deflection. This length of wire gives resistance P. This length of wire gives resistance Q. This P resistance, Q resistance. Here you can see in my diagram. P is equal to L into R. R is the resistance per unit length. For length L, you have to measure the length from the left hand side in the scale. Say for example, this is 50 or 50, 60, 40, jaha bhi ho. So length can be measured from the left hand, LR, and this will be 100 minus L into R. So this is the only experiment that can be done in the practical. R is the resistance per unit length. तो आमे खाली बैलेंस पॉइंट से जॉकीटा को एठी स्लाइड करिवो केते सहज जॉकी को स्लाइड करिवो एठी नॉन रेजिस्टेंस एठी अननोन रेजिस्टेंस दिया हबो जॉकी को स्लाइड करिवो जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन देखिवो यू कैन सी द जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन सो फॉर जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन द ब्रिज इज बैलेंस्ड इफ ब्रिज इज बैलेंस्ड देन यू अप्लाई दिस फार्मूला P by Q P टा होची L into R आउतर सुनो R is the resistance per unit length of this wire L is the balancing from the left from the measure from scale LR P by Q Q is 100 minus L into R is equal to R by S R by this is unknown resistance I will take and this is the unknown resistance under considerations एठी wire टा लागिबो S is equal to X एटा unknown resistance जणा नाही wire टा resistance so that I can write R by X. If you R cancels out, so R has no values here. So that means if you solve it, X is equal to 100 minus L by L into R. You can see this R cancels out x can be taken to this numerator. X is equal to eta cross multiply habo 100 minus L by L into R. This is the formula. This R resistance is known from resistance box. Eta jana achi. Only balancing length will be found out by adjusting this jockey over this one, so that this length can be measured from the scale. Remaining length can be calculated. So that 100 minus L by L into R. So knowing the balancing length from the left, remember L is always measured from the left. Remember this one. It can never be measured from the right, L. So it will be measured from the left. If it is L, this will be 100 minus L, then this formula holds good. You may ask me, why should you connect the unknown resistance here instead of here? ये तो दीटा चांस अच्छी एटी भी लगे हो दीटा गैप देखेली दीटा गैप अच्छी कहीं लगे लेनी. Can you answer this question? It may be questions in the practicals. It can be connected. If you connect unknown resistance in the left hand side, known resistance in the right hand side, the formula will be reversed. It have L by 100 minus L into R, nothing else. So it is better to remember this by this is equal to this by this. आउ थरे कहि दउची सबु भूली जाओ अबिका सबु भूली जाओ इन बैलेंस कंडीशन गोटिए मन रखिबो पूरा बढ़िया हो जिवो आकु भी बिलीव होउची ये भी मोर दरकार नहीं आउ. I am removing this one. So this is the conditions that can be imposed. I am removing this one, and you may be asked a questions. Explain the meter bridge and explain how can you determine the unknown resistance for here. Both the circuit diagrams should be plotted, both in theory questions, also in the practicals record. And by observing this Wheatstone bridge, you can connect here. A, B, C, D name will be given according to this diagram. It a copper strip, it a connecting wire, nothing else. Now here L, and if R is known, then only balancing length can be found out L, so that X can be calculated very easily calculated. Okay. Now easy method is for getting null deflections here. You can take this by this LR. It is 100 minus L into R. R is the resistance per unit length. This is 100 minus L. So you can apply this by this is equal to this by this. Numerical will be solved like this. Problem samti solve karibo. This by this is equal to this by this. R by LR, I am writing C. R by LR is equal to S by 100 minus L into R. It a resistance per unit length. Per unit length को resistance R. 100 minus L length को resistance 100 minus L into R. Now L length को resistance L into R. R will be cancelled out. So R by L, X by 100 minus L implies that X is equal to same formula. You see, I am finding L by R, same formula. So this by this is equal to this by this. This formula should be remembered. P by Q equal to R by S. So let me show you one example problem. In materials, also in examinations, you may get some circuit diagram. You need to worry about that one. Kichi worry habani. Circuit ta dekhi nabo. If bridge is balanced, put this by this is equal to this by this, nothing else. Jadi bhal lagyo this by this is equal to this by this. Let me show you questions here. So my question habo, let the bridge is balanced. There is data deichi. So here, if say bridge is balanced, then I can write R by balanced and length in this arrangement. Forget about this one. S. This is balanced and L is 40 centimeter. See. Then what you have to apply in this case? Balancing length is 40. Then this by this, siddha pakaiva. R by 40 equal to S by 60. So if it is L, it is 100 minus L. Name is meter bridge, 100 centimeter in length. No need of converting to meter because the unit both the sides they will be cancelled out. If it is say you will be question, there is a meter bridge arrangement. The resistance is R, resistance is S, bridge is balanced. Then the balancing length is 40 centimeter, then this equation can be applied. From this you can say R is equal to 2 by 3 S. देखुनु एटा 0 0 कटि जीव, एटा 2 रे कटि जीव, 2 2 2 3, एटा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हेबो 2 by 3 S. ठीक अछि, 2 by 3 S. Questions of this type of questions I have given in the materials. You should be very careful about this one. Question is, if a resistance of 12 ohm is connected in parallel with this, question hobo, if another resistance is connected, kete ohm na 12 ohm parallel. A sangre parallel 12 ohm mu lagei deli. Practically difficulties you will arise. If I will connect another resistance, in this case, balance point will be changed. Because the resistance will be affected. Resistance affect हो, balance point change हो. सेतले questions तुमको देइछि, if you connect, if S parallel with केते 12 ohm, then length becomes 50 centimeter. Question देइछि, find out value of R, find out value of S. ए question सा material दिया है, circuit diagram दिया है, I am just giving the hints, you try to solve it. Question hochi, there is a meter bridge is balanced, balancing length is 50 centimeter. Okay, now 40 centimeter, so that you can apply R by this is equal to that by that. एठी length into R multiply करले भी ये R कटि जिबार किसी मूल्य नहीं, सीधा पकेबो this resistance by this length, that resistance by that length, so that balance point is 40. When it is connected in parallel, जतले parallel लगे दउछ 12 ohm रो, balance point is changed. केते होची ना 50 होची. से केस रे कोन हबो ना R by 50 ये चेंज हे 50, 40 बदले 50 हे जाईची. 50 equal to S parallel 12. फार्मूला पकेइबो S parallel 12. एटा parallel symbol 12. S parallel 12 फार्मूला हबो 12 into S parallel 12 हबो 12 into S divided by 12 plus S, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. It is your duty to solve this one. So that right side becomes parallel combination of these two divided by 50. एटा मु कोठु आनिली देइछि, if you connect a resistance of 12 ohm parallel with S, then balance point is shifted from 40 to 50. This side becomes 50, the remaining is 50, 100 centimeter length. So 50, so that you can apply the formula here, R and S. R is given, you can utilize this one, solve this one, you will get these two values. This is a 3 marks numericals. You may be asked, I have done this one in the material, so that in this manner you may be asked, गोटे balance condition देई दबो, this by this or this by this, आधरे series किंबा parallel गोटे connect कर दबो, कले balance point change हे जिवो. Then you can apply this R by that balancing length divided by that combination by that length. This by this is equal to this by this. Should we remember to solve any numericals over Wheatstone bridge arrangement applied to meter bridge. And this bridge, since the jockey empty घसुच, since jockey you are sliding over this, you are sliding over for adjustment, R भी गोटे अन्य ना अच्छी मन रख, slide wire bridge, meter bridge, otherwise called as slide wire bridge. I think your idea is clear. Meter bridge is the simplest arrangement based on Wheatstone bridge by which you can determine the unknown resistance of a wire. Thank you all. In the next we will go for another instrument, potentiometer. Again, that is again much more important than this one. You can having 2 experiments over that. Both in theory you have a questions, both in practical you are having 2 practicals over that one. Thank you all.